What's up, Bree?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Bree. Thank you for tuning in today. If you have not already done so, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my further videos. And go ahead and hit that like button while you at it and leave me a comment. Let me know if you like this content. But without further ado, you guys, I am bringing you a little unboxing. I'm very excited because I have never purchased from this brand before, and that brand is none other than Marc Jacobs. So I got a cute little bag from Marc Jacobs and I just want to unbox it for you guys. It literally was dropped off this morning, and right now it was dropped off at like 11:30 this morning and it's 6 o'clock now, and I'm like, you know, really anxious to open it. I'm surprised I waited this long. I was waiting for y'all, you know. I wanted y'all to enjoy this moment with me. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and like this video if you appreciate me waiting to unbox it with you guys. Okay guys, so let's hop right on into the unboxing. So this is what your girl's box looks like. On the other side is nothing but like my address. It was dropped off by UPS. Nothing to see here on the box. Like I said, I ordered it offline from the Marc Jacobs website, so I don't know what kind of packaging is inside. So we're gonna open it up together, y'all. So all I got here with me is some little scissors. So let's get to opening. Okay, y'all. So I finally, I finally managed to break open the tape, and so you break it up. Look! Oh my gosh! It says Marc Jacobs on it. Oh my god, y'all, I gotta get a good angle, make sure y'all can see. This is some tea, y'all. I never bought from like a somewhat luxury brand. Like, I'm considering Marc Jacobs luxury. I think Marc Jacobs is pretty luxury for the price this stuff is on their website. Marc Jacobs is luxury. So this is what it looks like on the inside of the box. Love it. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my viewfinder down here, so that's the reason why you probably keep seeing me look down there. But I'm just looking at how luxury this stuff looks on the camera. Okay, so all right, y'all. So inside of the box we have this card that says Marc Jacobs, and let's see what the inside of the card says. Hold on, let's put the box down first. We'll get into the goodies in a minute. Okay. So inside, I've got this Marc Jacobs card. Oh, this is a receipt. It says, thank you for shopping at Marc Jacobs. Please visit us again at www.marcjacobs.com or at one of our stores. So this is where the receipt is, y'all. So inside of here, I got my packing slip. And we have a paper receipt since I did buy it online. So, y'all, honestly, I didn't pay a lot for this because I bought it on Black Friday. Well, I don't know. A lot is, you know, it's different people's perspective, so I'm not gonna say it's not a lot. However, I did get it on sale because, you know, your girl loves a good sale. I bought it online during their Black Friday sale. Some people's Black Friday sale is actually kind of still going on. Marc Jacobs may be, I'm not sure. Maybe by the time I edit this video, I'll find out and let you know in the description bar. But I'll go ahead and give you the details of my purchase. So the bag I purchased is called the Metallic Textured Box Bag. The original price is $425, okay? But your girl didn't pay that because I got a Black Friday sale. I got this bag for $255. So that is a 40% off discount. Okay, girl, I did that. Okay, so the description says a lunchbox inspired bag in metallic pedaled leather with double zip entry. Okay. So y'all, I was going back and forth between this bag and a black and white one they had. The black and white one was about, I think it was like $325 or something like that. So I really don't know for sure if I should have got the black and white one or not, but I asked like one of my friends and she suggested this one. She said this one was better. It would go with more outfits. That's what I was thinking. So if I don't like it, I can always return it and get the black and white one, or I'll just go into a Marc Jacobs store. But y'all, without further ado, let's get the bag. Okay. So inside of the box, you have your bag. It's packaged all nice and tight in this plastic. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Not in a cute way or nothing. We're just gonna open that right on up. All right, right off the bat, you got your tags on there. It says the Marc Jacobs, okay? So let's just get all this off. I ain't trying to unwrap this cute, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Oh my god, y'all. In freaking love. I think I like it. I might actually just want the black and white one as well. I don't even want to take this back. I think I want, y'all, isn't it so freaking cute? I love it. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and take off all like the rest of the packaging off of it and show you guys without the packaging. I'm gonna carry it like this, y'all. It comes with a strap. I'm pretty sure the strap is on the inside of the bag, but I think I'm gonna hold it just like a little lunchbox. I think it's so freaking cute. Let me unzip it. Okay, so inside, you guys, I see it's a duster bag. So you get your Marc Jacobs or the, I'm sorry y'all, the camera's gonna get washed out because it's white, but it says the Marc Jacobs. Y'all, if y'all could feel this, this is some straight up quality, okay? Dust bag, okay? I'm actually gonna keep my purse in that. All right, then it's just like, oh, this is the strap. So the strap is inside the bag. I'll open up the strap for you guys. So y'all, the strap is in the same metallic gold color, so I'm gonna just put it on so y'all can see. I probably won't use the strap for real, y'all. I don't really care for this strap. I wish it was made of like a chain. Maybe I would use the strap, but it's the details for me, sweetie. All right, so there's your strap, so you can wear it as a, excuse my fat stomach. You could wear it as a crossbody. Woo! Y'all, it's so freaking cute. Obsessed. Oh, I love it. Isn't it so cute, y'all? Oh, I love it. But I'm probably gonna just wear it, like I said, like this, because I think that is super cute. Let's look inside. Let me take out the rest of the paper inside, y'all. There's so much paper in here, you know, they want to keep it shape. So I'm gonna take out the paper. And y'all, it's so much room inside of this bag. Look, so much room. I could put my little makeup powder, my phone, my keys. I could put everything here. And there's pockets in here too. Like, well, just one pocket. Inside is a zip up pocket in the inside. Oh, inside the pocket, you got your Marc Jacobs label, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably like care instructions or whatever. Yeah, 100% cow leather with metallic foil. That's what it's called. That's what it says inside this paper. It's pretty much just like product details. So I'm gonna leave that in there just in case I have to clean it or something like that. But yeah, stick that back in the pocket. Okay, you guys, so that pretty much wraps up the end of this video. Leave a comment below and let me know if you like these kinds of videos for unboxings. I buy stuff all the time online. When it comes, I get excited. I just rip it open so fast. But if you guys would like to see unboxings, just leave a comment and I'll be sure to unbox. It doesn't even have to be luxury. It could be anything. So if you'd like to see unboxings, leave it down below in the comments and I'll be sure to show you guys some more unboxings because, you know, your girl's just like buying stuff, especially around the holiday times. Like I said, that's my Christmas present to myself. So I'm sure I'm gonna need another Christmas present. Okay. But anyway, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you for watching. Bye.